इनिशियल ईयर्स कैसे था चालू करने के बाद?
Initial level में I am the only one. There are no is my staff, no I have any background. So we are started from small space and we take it into rented, and then we started the manufacturing of the induction furnaces. I have a very good friends in foundry market, so very good friends in there. So they are helping us and give us a chance to prove ourselves, and they
मतलब
are
ट्रायल के हिसाब से?
yeah.
ओके.
Before that we are started the servicing and some parts and some technical awareness, some consulting, and then we make a relation with customers, and then they give us a chance for okay आप बनाइए induction furnace, we are taking a risk and install our furnaces. So one of the customer from Rajkot, they are giving a chance for first furnace to install, and we taking a chance.
वो आपका पहला इंस्टॉलेशन है?
वो हमारा पहला इंस्टॉलेशन ये हमारा पहला ऑर्डर था, लेकिन लकीली जब हमने पहला ऑर्डर एग्जीक्यूट किया उसी टाइम पे हमको एट अ टाइम सिंगल डे के अंदर 3 ऑर्डर मिले, जो हमारे लिए एक वेरी बूस्टिंग पॉइंट था. अगर बीच में ब्रेक आता तो हम लोगों को और चैलेंज बढ़ती.